Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi, and I'm a Canva expert. I believe you already know that by now. Okay, because if you've been regular on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert files, how to convert maybe a PNG to an SVG. Okay, I'm going to be really quick about this. Why am I doing this tutorial? There was a time I was creating a design for a client, okay, and the client I needed the client's logo, and the client did not have. I was using Canva, okay, to create that design, and I needed the client's logo to finish up. Now the client did not have the logo file in a PNG, PDF, or JPG format. Okay, the client only had that file in a CDR, that's a CorelDRAW format, and we both know that you cannot work with that on Canva. Okay, it would not upload. All right, and that's not the only time. There was another time I wanted to create a design for a client, and the file was in a WebP something format, and Canva I could not upload it on Canva. So I quickly did this. Now let me show you what I did. Now you already have the file that you want to convert. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to zamza.com. Okay, it's a free site that allows you convert. The free version allows you convert 3 files per day. So if you want to convert more files, you have to upgrade to the premium version. Now I'm going to, let's say I want to convert a PNG format from my computer. Let's say I want to convert this t-shirt file. This is already in a PNG format. Okay, so I want to convert it to a PDF format. Okay, it's a PNG file. As you can see, it is boldly written here, item type PNG file, dimensions 1000 by 1500. So I'm going to click on open. Now this is where I chose the files. Now you're going to see the second option here shows you convert to. That means what do you want to convert the files to, from the PNG to what? Okay. Now we have image format, which is BMP, GIF, ICO, JPG, PCX, TGA, thumbnail, TIFF, WebP, and WPM. I think this is the one the client sent me that time, WebP, and I couldn't upload it on Canva then. I don't know about now if it's possible. Now, document formats, we have docs, PDF, PS. Okay, so I want to convert it to a document format, which is PDF. So the first step, the second step, and the third step, which is to convert now. I'm going to click on convert now. Now we wait. Okay, so files to convert, and as you can see, I'm done converting. So now I can download. Okay, I can download now. I'm going to click on download. This is the file. Before it was in a PNG format, but as you can see now, it is in a PDF format. So the conversion had taken place. Now it is all done, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on download. So it is downloading now as a PDF file. So we're gonna wait for it to finish downloading, and it has downloaded. Okay, so I'm gonna click on open, and as you can see, this is the PDF format. I can go ahead to print this. Okay, it's already in the PDF format. So that's the simple way to convert file. There's a whole lot of other stuff, other websites or apps that you can try, but I've tested this one and it is trusted. Okay, um this one is downloaded, so you can try. Like I told you, I converted the file from a CDR format to a PNG format, and then I uploaded it, and when I uploaded it, it didn't give me any issue. Okay, the quality was there, everything was intact, and I finished the design and sent it to the customer, and everybody went home happy. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Please do make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to be uploading more video tutorials. Okay, I've not done that in a while because I have a lot on my plate, but definitely soon you guys are going to see more tutorials, okay, on Canva and other fields. All right, So bye bye for now. My name is Kelechi, and see you in the next video.